Alright, this is subtracting using the traditional algorithm way. There's going to be a few things that we're going to do first. First is we split our problem and we look at the tens and the ones. And we're going to start in the ones place. First thing we say to ourselves is there more on the top or more on the floor? If there's more on the top, then your song to yourself is more on the top, no need to stop. If there's more on the floor, then you say more on the floor, borrow next door. Try it with me. More on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, borrow next door. And then we'll also add another one in just a minute. Okay, looking at mine, I know that 5 is less than 7, so there is more on the floor. I need to borrow next door. This is who we would borrow from. Okay, and when I say borrow, that means I take one away. I slash out my 5 and I'm going to take one away from my next door neighbor. If I take one away from 6, that makes this a 5. And that 1 that I took goes over here to make this now a 15. Remember that this is a 10. So I'm taking one group of 10 and I'm adding it to 5. We know 10 and 5 is 15. So now my number is large enough to where I can take away the 7. Because there's more on the top, no need to stop. 15 minus 7, 8. Now I go look at the tens place. I have a 5. I'm going to take away 1. I can do that because there's more on the top. No need to stop. 5 minus 1 is 48. Now, if the numbers were the same, let's try a different problem. Once again, we look at tens and ones. Okay, I'm going to start in the ones. I don't have numbers that are bigger or smaller than another. The numbers are the same. So what we say to ourselves is, numbers the same, zero's the game. Say it with me. Numbers the same, zero's the game. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 1